If your VPN feels slow or unstable, the problem might not be your internet. It might be your protocol. In this video, we're breaking down how FastestVPN's different connection protocols, WireGuard, OpenVPN, and IKev2 actually impact your speed, security, and overall performance. What's up, guys? My name is Kyle. If you're using a VPN, the protocol it runs on isn't just technical jargon. It directly affects how fast, stable, and secure your connection really is. FastestVPN offers multiple options. The legacy favorites like OpenVPN and IKev2, and now the modern WireGuard. But what do those differences actually mean for you in 2025? Today, we'll break down each protocol, what it does, where it shines, and where it struggles. Then compare how FastestVPN implements them. By the end, you will know exactly which one to choose and when. Let's start with what we mean by protocol. In a VPN context, a protocol is the method your device uses to connect to the VPN server and encrypt data. It affects connection time, encryption strength, compatibility, and performance. OpenVPN is the gold standard legacy, highly compatible, broadly supported, and works on many devices. IKev2 is often used in mobile situations because of its quick reconnect when switching networks, Wi-Fi to mobile. WireGuard is the newcomer, simpler codebase designed for speed and efficiency. Each has trade-offs: compatibility versus cutting-edge features, legacy hardware versus modern performance. FastestVPN supports all of them, plus an auto choice, so you can fix what fits your case. OpenVPN is old but reliable, works on nearly all platforms, supports both UDP and TCP, can be configured for stealth or obfuscated use in restricted networks. The pros: very high compatibility, lots of server support, and robust security. Cons: doesn't typically offer the highest speeds, has higher latency, more resource overhead. For example, broader benchmarking shows OpenVPN significantly slower than WireGuard in many tests. For FastestVPN, you'll often find OpenVPN listed as a selectable protocol in their settings. So if you're using an older device, need maximum compatibility, OpenVPN remains a safe fallback. IKev2, often paired with IPsec, is optimized for devices that switch networks frequently. Smartphones, laptops, tablets, moving between Wi-Fi and data. It handles reconnects better than many others. The pros: good connection stability during network changes, generally lower latency than some legacy protocols, and mobile friendly. The cons: less universal than OpenVPN on all OSs, sometimes fewer customization options or server features in the VPN app. In FastestVPN listing, they mention IKev2 amongst their supported protocols. If you're regularly on the move, switching networks, or primarily using a mobile device, IKev2 is a strong choice. Now we arrive at WireGuard, the new champion in many VPN discussions. FastestVPN officially rolled out support for WireGuard across their apps in 2025. Here's what makes WireGuard special. It uses a much lighter codebase, 4,000 lines versus tens of thousands of lines in older protocols, meaning smaller attack surface and easier auditing. It uses only UDP in most implementations, which helps with speed and lower latency. Users report significantly faster speeds. One comparative benchmark shows WireGuard beating OpenVPN by 57% on average. In the FastestVPN context, they recommend WireGuard for better speeds and security. So if speed and responsiveness, especially streaming or gaming, are high priorities, WireGuard is your go-to. Let's summarize usage scenarios. If you're on older hardware or using obscure devices or routers, OpenVPN gives you the broadest compatibility. If you're mobile, switching networks often, IKev2 offers good stability and performance. If you want maximum speed, lower latency, especially for streaming or gaming or newer hardware, WireGuard is likely the best fit. Of course, auto protocol options exist in many apps, including FastestVPN, which choose for you, but knowing the trade-offs gives you more control. Also note, network conditions matter. Even WireGuard might be hindered if your ISP throttles or blocks UDP, or if servers are overloaded. Real-world feedback shows user variation. Focusing now specifically on FastestVPN. They support WireGuard, OpenVPN, IKEv2, and Auto Mode. The WireGuard rollout claims improvement in speed, streaming access, and security. However, some user reviews raise some concerns about inconsistencies. For example, Reddit posts flag issues around protocol selection or performance with certain servers. So when using FastestVPN, test multiple protocols, check which works best for your location and device, and don't assume newer equals automatically best in every situation. In short, protocol choice matters. FastestVPN gives you options, so use them wisely. If I were to pick one recommendation for most users in 2025, WireGuard will be the strongest default unless you hit compatibility issues. But keep OpenVPN or IKEv2 in your back pocket for edge cases. If you want more information, we have that link for you at the bottom. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. It's these commissions that help the channel and allow us to continue bringing you free content like this. So if you're using it, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you never miss another video. We cover all things VPN, cybersecurity, and more on this channel. So be sure to subscribe.